What up, YouTube fam? It's time for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a quick strategy overview of what I'm doing with Vapor nodes. I know everything's kind of down right now, so I'm just trying to put out what I'm doing. Maybe somebody else can do it. But I actually learned this from one of the guys in the Vapor Discord. He's been posting all kinds of stuff, so shout out to him. I'll put his name up in the YouTube description. But let's switch over to the screen here, and I'll show you what we got going on right now. So this is my available rewards on Vapor nodes. This is Vapora and Vector, so say hello to them. Right now I've just been compounding. You can see my last claim was 10 days ago, and 9 days ago for this one. Here's my available rewards. I just compounded recently, actually today. Here's my daily APR and the compound bonus. So what I'm doing right now is a modified version of what the strategy is that he was using, and I really wish I could remember his username, but I'm just going to show you what we're doing right now. So ignore this ugly mess on this spreadsheet. This is not the one I just recently shared. This is just one I've been testing out with Glide, which is how I'm going to be making this app that I'm using. So I'll show you basically how it's set up and how I pull the information over to the app. So I've got my diamond hands level here. This is the current price of Vapor, so it's pulling every 5 minutes into this spreadsheet. And then I've got the name, when it's created, all this stuff. But the one thing I want to focus on here today is this today's stage. So this shows this 218 this is today, so you can see this is a now formula. It just shows the current time and date. And this one says accumulating, this one says compound today. So what I wanted was some form of an action that I can do every single day. I need to know what to do. I need something to tell me what to do. So I created these tables for each one of the nodes, and what I did was I worked with this for like an hour or two. I wanted to figure out how to know when I should accumulate rewards, when I should claim them, when I should like restore my diamond hands, and you can see all these through here. So this bar right here, this purple and pink, this marks today. So this moves when it's tomorrow. That's going to move to this next row, and this just gives me a quick highlight. If I'm in the spreadsheet, I can see, okay, this is today. This is what I should be doing. And I'm also using this to verify if this is actually doing what I want it to do. So this is today. It says I should be accumulating. So what I did is I went into the Vapor spreadsheet here, and I have this doing a lookup for today's date. It's called a VLOOKUP for today's date over in this table. So wrong one. Let me go to the other one. So this one says accumulate. So it looks for the name of the node, and then it says, okay, here's today's date, and we should be accumulating. Now, where this gets really powerful is not only can I see in the spreadsheet what I'm supposed to do, but over in Glide Apps, I've got this app that I'm slowly building, and it just pulls information from Google Sheets. It's a really cool program. They've made it even better. But their current limit has 500 rows if you make an app. They also have something called Glide Pages. It only has a 100 row limit, but it gives you 1,000 sheet edits. So anytime you make a spreadsheet edit, it'll count toward that 1,000, and then if you go over that, you won't be able to use the app. But what you can see here is I've got the diamond hands level, and then the little image pulling from Google Sheets, and then this is the huge thing that I love is where it says accumulating and compound today. So if I pull that up on my phone, I can go to Vapor. I've got these little tabs down here. So I can go from Vapor to Thor, and I really don't have these other ones built out, but I'll just show you quickly. But Vapor is the one I've really been working on. So I just want to pull the price. Then this tells me what is my action for today. Today, right now, okay, this node is just accumulating. I don't have to do anything. And this one is compounding today. So that means I need to compound this today. And if I go back to my spreadsheet, I look at that table, and this is accumulating. Let me go to the other one. This is for the second one. So this is approximation, like it says today's date compounding, of that the formula. It's like, you compound so much each day, and this just takes the previous tokens away from the previous day. That's how I get this number. And then I have a 50-cent estimation on gas fees because I don't really know what they're going to be. And then this checkbox right here shows me if the action has been completed or not. And this is since I created the node. So right now I need to be compounding. And then if you're curious to know what this action is, this is my what I call the big compound. And then I compound these each day. After I compound those, I'm going to just let it accumulate because I have to have something to collect. Then after this goes for 15 days, which is the length of the diamond hand bonus, I claim it. Then once I claim it, I lose diamond hands. So I do it again for 15 days to restore them. Do another big compound today on each day, and then accumulate again, and then claim. So this is just the whole cycle. This is the strategy I'm going to use for these, so I don't have to think about, well, if I claim daily, how much am I going to make? So back to the app here, I got this table here. So the one that I was on, that checkbox shows whether or not I've been that today. So this is filtered to show today always at the top. That's why it says today. Tomorrow this one will be up at the top and say today. And then all I need to do is this checkbox checked. If it is, I've already done it. So that way I can keep tabs on what happens. When I click into this, it has all the different information. So this is my action, compound today, today's date, compounding all these other things here. So that's it, man. That's or woman if you're a woman. That's it for today. I don't really have anything else I want to share. I just kind of wanted to focus on one thing, which is the vapor nodes, and I'm still trying to figure the other ones out, what my strategy is going to be. I think I have one for Univ. What I'm going to do, I think, is I'll probably take the daily rewards and go out a certain amount of days because you get a bonus before I compound. I have been compounding them daily, but we'll see what that one leads us. So this is for Vapor, and that's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.